Today we're making chicken tinga express. This is a go-to recipe in most Mexican families, and if you need a quick dinner, this is perfect for that occasion. Place your burner on a medium-high heat, and then you're gonna add about 1 tablespoon of oil or lard. It's gonna be up to you, and you're gonna allow that to warm up. Once your oil melts, you're gonna add your chorizo, and you're gonna start breaking it down. And since we're cutting time, not flavor, on this side, I'm gonna add our onions. We're gonna come and mix periodically, but we're gonna continue to cook these ingredients for about 5 minutes. Perfect, it's been about 5 minutes. You can go ahead and combine all your ingredients. You're gonna add 1 8-ounce can of tomato sauce. Give that a loving mix, and then we can start adding our spices. Make a little well right here in the center. You're gonna add 1/4 of a cup of chili powder, 1 tablespoon of onion powder, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of ground cumin, a little bit extra if you love it, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of sugar to balance out the spiciness, 1/4 of a cup of chipotle peppers, 1 tablespoon of tomato chicken bouillon, 1 bay leaf. Go ahead and place your burner on a medium heat and give that a loving mix. And the chili powder works the same way as flour. You know, when you don't cook down flour, it tastes a little bit raw. This gives it a bit of a cook, and it also allows to give it more of a smoky flavor. And 2½ cups of water. That looks beautiful on its own to just pour over some rice. Hey, if you're in a mood, enjoy. Once everything is fully combined, you can add your chicken and give it a loving mix. Perfect. Now I'm going to keep my burner on a medium heat, and I'm going to continue to cook for another 5 minutes. And boom, done. Our chicken tinga is ready. This is a versatile recipe. It works for tostadas, burritos, just as a side dish like a stew with rice, and you name it. The options are endless, but today I'm going to be making my kids some nachos. So I just have to prepare a few more ingredients, but our chicken tinga is ready for you to enjoy. I recommend for tinga nachos to use the Tostitos salsa verde. They really enhance the flavor, and it kind of gives it like a walking taco vibe. Top your nachos with some beans, nacho cheese, tinga, and the classic when eating tinga is you add some iceberg lettuce over the top, some crema fresca, queso cotija, avocado, and your favorite salsa.